Hello dear students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Zaira Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at your home, but you will continue with us by the help of online classes because education is the must for bright future. So let's we start reading. This is chapter 1 and the name of chapter Mr. Toad goes for a ride. This is a classic and interesting story of Mr. Toad Goes for Ride. There are three characters in this story, but Toad is a main character in this story. They are Rat, Mole, and their friends. This story moves around the Mr. Toad and their friends. This story written by Kenneth Grahame. Now let's we start this story. One day Rat and Mole went to meet their friend Toad. Toad was sitting in the garden and welcomed them warmly. Do you know warmly means lovingly, okay, friendly, okay. Hooray! You are just the friends I wanted to see. It is about rowing your new boat, I suppose. Toad led them to the stable yard and showed them a bright yellow carriage. Oh, pooh, boating? It's a silly waste of time. I gave that up long ago. I have found the real thing. Come with me to the stable yard and see. Do you know what means stable yard? A yard connecting horses. Okay, stable yard means a yard connecting horses. There's real life for you in that little carriage. Travel, change, excitement. Why don't we go for a ride this afternoon? I am not coming. But, Rat, it might be fun. Finally, Rat agreed to go for the ride. The three friends drove through the town. Come on, Rat. I only want you fellows to have fun. Toad was proud of this carriage. Passers-by stopped and greeted them. Suddenly, they heard a boom boom sound behind them. Broom broom means a type of sound. A type of sound. Sound of carriage. Or a motor car sped past them, leaving a cloud of dust. It upset the carriage. The carriage fell into a ditch. Rat was angry. Do you know what means ditch? Ditch means a narrow hole. But Toad seemed to be under a spell. He had found a new interest. I will complain to the police. What a glorious sight! What a magnificent thing! Do you know glorious means? Glorious means will be wonderful, splendid. Okay? Do you know magnificent means? Magnificent means will be attractive. Okay? What do we do with him? Nothing. When he likes something, he thinks of nothing else for some time. Look, Toad, you have to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver. Police station? Complaint? Me? Complain about that wonderful motor car? Never. You see, he is quite hopeless. I give up. We can't leave him here. Fine, but I will never go on a trip with Toad again. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video and learn and practice at your home this chapter.